How are you?
Fine, fine. And you?
Good. I'm good too. I'm good too. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
So, yes, have you had any sessions midweek?
yeah.
Okay.
I have seen it.
Okay. How was it? Was it good?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, great. I don't know, technical issues, are they still there or are they resolved now? How is it?
No. It's
Uh,
all fine. No problem at all.
all right. Perfect. So, last week I think we were speaking about something, and as usual, auto cut happened.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, nothing can be done about the auto cut. We were so involved in the conversation that I didn't realize the time was so gone. So yeah, again, we have a session document. So would you prefer to speak about that, or do you want to speak about something in general? What would you like?
No. Go for the sessions document. No problem.
All right, perfect. Okay. Let's imagine that you actually are someone who is interested in taking lotteries. And again, after our conversation today, you go and you buy a lottery ticket, you use all the science and wisdom from your relative,
Yeah.
and you won, let's say whatever exorbitant amount, say 1 crore, 10 crore, whatever it is.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
won it, and what would you do? What do you think is the first thing you're going to do when you get that prize money?
Well, if I own a huge amount of money from the lottery,
Yes.
first of all, I would like to say everybody used to want to tell, I will give my friends, I will give it to my relatives. After that, I will do such thing or such thing like that. But I would like to say, first of all, uh, I would divided the money in some separate way.
Okay.
First of all, I would like to deposit some money in our bank.
Okay.
From this amount, I will get some interest yearly.
Yes.
From that, I
Okay.
will I will try to use it in my next life.
Okay.
Secondly, I would invest some money in my property.
Okay.
And before that, obviously, I would buy a house for me.
For yourself. Okay.
Yeah. And not the mansion, because the maintaining cost is another fact on the
Okay.
next day. Because after that, my legal heirs, they would be able to maintaining the mansion or not. That's why I
Okay.
must buy a house for me, which is
Okay.
maintainable from the interest of which I have given in the bank.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
And next, I would like to use some money for another property. It's not only that today's topic, but it was in my in my mind before that.
From earlier. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would invest some money. Oh, one thing is there. I would like to purchase. I would like to buy a house in that area where must be the colleges, where must be the schools, where must be the hospitals, where must be the malls,
Okay.
including
Okay.
all utilities, amenities, facilities over there.
Okay. Great.
Yeah. Next, I would like to say, I have a NGO
Okay.
regards
Wow.
the blind. I don't know. I didn't recollect it. I have told you earlier or
No,
not,
no, no, no. This is new.
because
This is new for me.
uh, I have been joined two blind schools last 6 to 7 years.
Wow.
And in the last year, in the COVID pandemic, we formed a NGO regarding the blind personnel who are blind, totally blind.
Okay.
Uh, National Blind School for Forum for Bengal, NFB. And
Okay.
I am the vice president of this NGO.
Okay.
And that's why I'm telling you, I'd like to do something from that money for the blind person.
Fair.
And
That's nice.
there must have a library. There
Okay.
must have yeah. There must all the facilities and amenities and all educational systems for the blind in free of cost.
Okay.
Next, I would like to buy a house in the college or university area,
Okay.
which I will use for the students who are not
Okay.
able to uh, avail their hostels due to money.
Okay.
And
Fine.
obviously, they will put some money in the hostels, and I must have some money from that hostels in suppose irregular way, but
Hmm.
I will intend to use this money 60% for the blind and 40% for me.
Okay. Okay. So of the total amount you intend
Yeah,
to.
yeah. And after that, if anything rest, then I will go for the my what I
Enjoying.
say. Yeah, enjoying my the abroad and whatever I intend to go.
Okay. Okay. So you have some very good, very ambitious ideas, and some very good ideas, and very what shall I say, very selfless and very generous ideas, for especially relating to the NGO.
No, no,
And
it is already written by my diary. Written it my diary.
in your
Just
diary, in your diary.
yeah, in my diary. One second. If you have
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Uh, yes, yes, yes. I have it. Here it is. First goals, short-term goals. No
Wow.
loan in the end of 2021. New wristwatch before the Puja vacation.
Wow.
New car, a four-wheeler before Puja vacation. Long-term goals. Want to do something for blind person.
Hmm.
Want to be a fluent speaker in English. Be a motivational speaker.
Wow. Okay. This is very
I,
nice. That's very nice.
yeah,
Okay. So yeah, great. I mean, again, nothing to say. The ideas are very amazing. Uh, just a couple of things though that I noted. I'll just tell you. They are not corrections. I don't want to call them corrections. They are not corrections. One thing I wanted to ask is, when you were speaking about your first, putting the money into the bank
yeah,
as an
yeah,
FD, you said something about interest for the next life. So do you
yeah.
mean like future generations, or like, so for your next of kin, or what exactly did you mean by next life? Like
For
your
myself
family?
as well, yeah, for myself, for my family at the present moment, as well as the my legal years after my death,
Okay.
who are exist in
So
this world.
fine, fine. So you can say something like, I mean, it'll sound a little formal, but so that you can say something like, for my present as well as
Yeah,
future generations. That is
yeah,
that
yeah,
is some usage that you can use.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. And one small thing that I noticed in your goals, it is motivational speaker. Okay, not motivator speaker, motivational.
Hey, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So I mean, I didn't want to correct it then,
No, no,
because
no,
you were
no. It's
showing
okay.
me in
That's why I'm here. That's why
yeah.
I'm here.
So I wanted to, yeah, so that again, motivational speaker, that is
Yeah,
fine. Or you can say motivator, but that sounds very informal. So don't say motivator speaker, motivational speaker, or you can say motivator also. Either one. I would prefer you say motivational speaker.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And yeah, one other thing is, you were talking about, buying a property, a house in an area with a lot of facilities and a lot of amenities. So when you were listing it out, you were saying where must be colleges, where must be malls, where must be. So where there must be.
Yeah,
So where there must be all these facilities. There must be
yeah,
colleges, or there must be malls, there must be whatever it is. So that
yeah,
there
yeah,
is important.
yeah.
Okay?
Where there must
Because
be
again,
colleges.
exactly. Because again, when you were speaking about the for this the school for the blind and the facilities, again you said the same thing again. Like you missed out the there. So where there must be a library,
Yeah,
there
yeah,
must
yeah.
be living conditions,
The
small
particular,
things, but
yeah, particular space. Yeah,
yeah. So where there must be something. So
yeah,
there must
yeah.
be something, but where should it be? It should be there. So where there must be all these things. Okay.
Right,
Very,
right.
very small, minor mistakes, but I mean, you've already improved. One thing that I have to say is one of your long-term goals, long-term goal number 2 in being a fluent English speaker, as far as I am concerned, is I think at least 70 to 80% there, at least. Okay, so I told you this last time also. The way we spoke, when it was our first session, and the way
Yeah,
we spoke when you were last week, and the way we speak now, like you are almost thoroughly fluent, and I'm very impressed by how much you have, how far you have come. So I need to point it out. It's a very good thing. So we are not here only to point out the negatives. We
yeah,
also point out the positives. So I just
yeah,
wanted you
right.
to know that. So that's a very good thing. Okay, fine.
But
So yeah,
I want to say one thing.
sure.
I have told earlier, uh, whatever corrections made in our sessions, and what I am I today only for you and only for you guys.
Okay, so we are extremely proud, but again, as I mentioned in the last session, what corrections we give are very generic corrections,
Yeah,
but it depends on how you imbibe it and how you implement it. So a lot of
yeah.
credit, most of the credit, in fact, has to go to yourself. So don't be overconfident. Please don't be overconfident, and
No, no, no,
please
no.
don't.
I am trying my level best. I am trying my level best.
Yes,
Whatever
yes,
you
and
correct at our sessions, after that I go for my videos, and after that I am trying it to resolve the issues whatever made in our conversations.
perfect, perfect. So
Yeah.
that is showing. I mean, it's very evident that you have come. You've grown leaps and bounds as a speaker, as I said. So keep it up. I mean,
No,
keep it going.
nowadays